once a siren test. Yo. Can you hear that? Those are the sentries. Those are the sentries in Doolittle. I think they're done. Yeah, I think they're done now. It's crazy. There's like, if you guys remember, there's a time where I filmed a Sentry 16V1T, or whatever it's called again. And you know, for what reason, they don't sound that loud when you're up close to them. But we're like 15 or so minutes away from where they are. They're like way down there in a different town, and you can hear them go off. I can even hear them go off from my house. So they really carry. They don't sound that loud when you're close to them, but they're loud. They must be, because you can hear it from here. So they pack a punch. So there's that. Very first siren test of 2025. Very delayed because I don't know what was even going on last month. So there's that. See ya.